Don't go to translate process. Don't go to take British accent, American accent, Australian accent, European accent. Don't go to copy to other person. If you want to learn spoken English, if you want to be a fluent speaker, then you can start in your way. Don't copy other person. Don't translate from your mother tongue to English language. It is not right way. In this video, I will give some tips. Using by the tips, you easily would speak English without fear, without hesitation, and without any shy feeling. You will speak English with full flow. Even if you don't have any partner, even if you don't have your environment, there you would speak English with much pleasure, and you don't need a partner. You can speak English with home. Thousands of learners, they have begun their journey without partner, without environment. So why are you thinking that without partner you would not learn spoken English? Thousands of people, they are trying to learn spoken English at home. They are trying to be a fluent English speaker without partner. If you alone, don't think about. You speak English in yourself. You explain your thought using by broken language, broken word, broken sentences in yourself. Even if it's broken, then you will not live this way. If you really want to be a good English speaker, at first you have to throw your all shyness, you have to throw your all hesitation, you have to throw all your negative thinking from your mind. Then you can start your journey. You don't have any partner, so what? You can start your journey from zero level. You can start your journey at home alone. Speak in yourself. Speak at your home. That technique, that process, I will share with you. It is sudden practice. If you stand in front of a mirror, if you go to watch a video on YouTube, after delivering their speech, you can speak exact sentence in yourself. It is sudden practice. doing huge practice, doing huge time practice, then you watch that your learning process, your knowledge is being increased day by day. And when you will go to mirror, there you can speak your broken English. If you speak in front of camera, after delivering your speech, you will find that how much error you are doing, how much sinus face is published there. So other think your speech, that speech is delivered from your mouth, this sound is entering in your 2 ears. So listening your own voice by your own ear, your mind will be confident, and your confidence will boost you more and more to learn spoken English. Otherwise, error. That's that error you are doing in front of mirror. This technique will make you correct. After doing this work, next time when you will go to speak English in front of mirror, you will be perfect, you will be correct. Definitely you will try to rectify your all mistakes. So shadowing practice is very beneficial method in the spoken English purpose. So 2 tips I have shared with you. One is when you will watch any video on YouTube, after listening any word, after listening any sentence, you may try to speak it again and again. And second tips is shadowing practice in front of camera, in front of mirror. So these 2 tips, if you may follow in your journey, definitely your confidence, your speaking habits will be increased day by day, and your growing method will make you do much pleasure. Then your learning interest will be grow very much. So if you are in the 0 level stage, you don't have much vocabulary knowledge, you don't have much basic grammatical knowledge, then you may start your journey. Definitely you will be succeeded in future. So that way I have followed in my early stage this technique I am sharing with you. If you want to learn spoken English, definitely this video and my little bit experience will be benefited to you. So that what I would every time if this video is minimum valuable to you, if you get minimum motivation from me to get like this more video, comment, subscribe and like. Do your valuable comment below the comment box. That what I would say every time. Stay good, stay healthy and stay with me. So I will see you in the next video.